Welcome to Best Choice. The best ball joint press is probably one of the most indispensable tools for any serious DIY mechanic or professional technician tackling suspension work, allowing you to effortlessly remove and install ball joints, U-joints, and even some brake anchor pins without the need for a hydraulic press, saving you significant time and money on costly shop visits and making those challenging automotive repairs much more manageable and efficient. Number 5. Orion Motor Tech Ball Joint Press Kit. Tackle challenging press fit parts with ease. This kit allows you to remove ball joints, U-joints, and more without disassembling the control arm. It's designed for a variety of press fit components, including brake anchor pins. You can use it on most 2WD and 4WD vehicles. Built from heavy-duty forged steel, this tool ensures maximum strength and longevity. Its black oxide finish on adapters resists rust and corrosion, making it a reliable choice. This kit fits most American domestic and imported 2WD and 4WD cars and light trucks. It even includes a 4WD adapter for Dana 30 or 44 front axles found on many popular models. All components come neatly organized in a durable, blow-molded carrying case. This ensures easy and safe storage, keeping your tools ready for the next job. We stand behind the outstanding quality and professional technical support of our products. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to assist with any questions. What we like. This kit features a robust design with a specialized 4x4 adapter. It's built from heavy-duty forged steel for maximum durability. If you frequently work on a wide range of 2WD and 4WD vehicles, especially those with Dana 30 or 44 front axles, this comprehensive set is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points from. Number 4. Orion Motor Tech 21-Piece Ball Joint Press Kit. This comprehensive 21-piece set is designed for effortless removal of press fit parts. It handles ball joints, U-joints, and brake anchor pins on most 2WD and 4WD vehicles. You can perform these tasks without even removing the control arm. It offers universal compatibility, working with a wide range of vehicles. This includes most GM, Chevy, Ford, and Dodge pickups, vans, and SUVs. It's also perfect for vehicles featuring Dana 28, 30, 35, 44, and 60 axles. This kit boasts professional-grade quality and durability. It's constructed from heavy-duty forged solid carbon steel. The adapters feature an anti-rust black oxide finish for maximum strength and longevity. All components are conveniently organized in a custom-molded case. This heavy-duty ABS plastic case ensures easy, safe storage and quick organization. It includes all the necessary adapters, rods, and cups for your tasks. The complete 21-piece set provides everything you need. It includes various adapters, a C-frame, rods, and cups for both installation and removal. This ensures you have the right tool for every job. Orion Motor Tech is committed to outstanding quality and professional technical support. If you have any questions or are not satisfied, their team is ready to assist you. They stand behind their products. What we like. This extensive 21-piece kit offers a wide array of multi-size adapters. It's crafted from heavy-duty forged solid carbon steel for professional-grade quality. If you are a professional mechanic or a serious DIYer needing a versatile kit for various axle types like Dana 28, 30, 35, 44, 60, this comprehensive set provides all the necessary components. What people say. Number 3. Powerbuilt Ball and U-Joint Service Set 648617. This comprehensive 23-piece set provides everything you need. It includes a full selection of tubes, adapters, sockets, and a heavy-duty C-frame for precise removal and installation of ball and U-joints. It offers universal compatibility, designed to service press-fit ball and U-joints. You can use it on a wide range of domestic and import vehicles, from cars to SUVs and light trucks. This set features heavy-duty, shop-grade construction. It's built from premium materials to withstand high torque and repeated use, perfect for both professional and DIY settings. Its time-saving design eliminates the need to remove control arms during service. This significantly reduces effort and repair time, improving efficiency for ball joint and U-joint replacement tasks. It comes with an organized storage case, keeping all tools protected and accessible. The durable molded case also includes laminated, grease-resistant instructions with photos for clear guidance. What we like. This complete 23-piece set includes everything you need, from receiving tubes to sockets. Its clever design eliminates the need to remove control arms, saving significant time. If you value efficiency and clear guidance, and want to streamline your repair process with a shop-grade tool, this kit with its included step-by-step instructions is perfect for you. What people say. Number 2. TOMMARS 3 PCS Ball Joint and Tie Rod Removal Tool Set. This comprehensive 3-piece kit is engineered for essential automotive front-end work. It includes specialized tools for safely separating ball joints, outer tie rods, and pitman arms. Say goodbye to damaging components with traditional methods. These tools ensure precise removal, protecting your vehicle's parts and boosting your repair speed. Crafted from durable, heat-treated steel, this set is built for exceptional strength. It tackles even the most stubborn, rusted, or seized parts on a wide range of vehicles. Its robust construction fits a wide range of domestic and imported FWD vehicles. This makes it ideal for various repair scenarios. Adjustable for various ball joint sizes, this kit serves both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. It's perfect for garage work or on-the-go repairs. Before purchasing, always measure your ball joint size. Ensure the specifications of this separator tool match your vehicle's requirements for optimal performance. What we like. This specialized 3-piece kit is designed for precise front-end service, including ball joints, tie rods, and pitman arms. It ensures damage-free removal, unlike traditional methods. If you prioritize preserving components and need dedicated tools for separating specific front-end parts without causing damage, this set is an ideal choice. What people say. This tool is highly effective for its intended purpose. Users appreciate the robust design and reliable functionality. Number 1. ATPEAM Ball Joint and U-Joint Removal Tool Kit. Introducing a robust solution for your automotive repair needs. This kit is crafted from solid carbon steel with an anti-rust finish, ensuring durability and reliability for tough jobs. It's built to last and perform under demanding conditions. Say goodbye to struggling with stubborn parts. This tool helps you effortlessly remove and install press-fit components like ball joints and U-joints, often without even disassembling the control arm. It also tackles rusted and corroded parts, saving you significant time and effort. This versatile kit is designed for a broad range of vehicles. It's compatible with most American domestic and imported 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive cars. You can use it to service 1, 2 and 3 4-ton 4WD vehicles with confidence. Whether you're working on ball joints, universal joints, or truck brake anchor pins, this tool is up to the task. Its heavy-duty design ensures it can handle the most challenging removal and installation jobs. It's an essential addition to any mechanic's toolkit. Keep your tools organized and protected with the included heavy-duty storage case. Each piece has a precision-sized compartment, making storage and transport easy. This thoughtful design helps to lengthen the life of your entire tool set. What we like. This tool kit is crafted from premium solid carbon steel with an anti-rust finish, ensuring durability. It's designed for effortless removal of press-fit parts, even rusted and corroded ones. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use tool that can tackle stubborn, seized components and save you time and energy, this heavy-duty kit is a great option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.